You guys, taking care of your natural hair is very important, and literally I think you can see it looks super healthy. My hairline is protected, it is even growing. Look at that. The reason being is I wear wigs, and specifically glueless wigs are life. They are making my life super easy. My hairline is protected, it is even growing. Look at that. And I wanted to show you some good products that I use for my natural hair. So I use organics. To moisturize my scalp, I use the Black Chick hair food treatment, and this is how it looks. I use the ORS olive oil, the black castor oil for my scalp. I use the unique silicone serum. I also use this silicone for my wigs. It just helps with shine, and it is really not greasy. So this is it. So guys, as you all know, I'm a wig girl. I've been saying this, I've been a wig girl for a very long time. So the reason why I love wearing wigs as a protective hairstyle is because you can actually change your hairstyle anytime, you know what I mean, without affecting your natural hair. You can wear a curly wig today, tomorrow you can just change and wear a straight wig. Literally you can wear any wig that you want. So another reason why I am obsessed with wigs is because my natural hair actually is not exposed to sun, is not exposed to pollution, and especially here in South Africa it is winter, so basically my hair is protected from the cold and it does not break anymore. So yeah guys, wearing wigs as a protective hairstyle is good. So yeah guys, let's get straight into today's video. So this is the packaging. This is the hair from Luvme Hair. Look at the shine. This is, by the way, a 4x4 wig closure, and everything comes bleached. Look at this. I don't even know what to say, you guys. What is this? This is quality, guys. This is quality. Literally, the only thing that I did was cut the lace, and look at the hair. This girl, I look so cute, you guys. This is literally the best protective hairstyle ever. Okay, there is no need for you to glue down this wig, no gel, nothing was used. The only thing that I did was to cut off the lace, and that's it. The wig was perfect.